Elephants can hear some of the lowest frequencies of any animal. And that is the sound of fresh fruit hitting the shop floor. Grandma has a bearing, and she knows the quickest route there. And in their quest for a healthy diet, wherever this family roams, each elephant spreads over 200 pounds of mineral-rich compost and weeds out several miles of choking undergrowth every single day, which gives the forest's slow-growing saplings the chance they need to transform into giants. As humans drive up the amount of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere, this mighty elephant-grown tree is drawing it down. The work of gardening elephants allows Africa's tropical trees to draw down an extra 1 billion tons of carbon every single year, while Grandma simply searches for what she needs to keep her family healthy.